Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to activate the blue light filter on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you have to scroll down and select the display. And here you will notice blue light filter, so it will reduce eye stain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. Simply tap on it. And here it is. If you'll tap on the left side of your icon, you will be able to personalize it. So as you can see, you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. So it's all up to you. You can also schedule your blue light filter mode. Simply click here. And now you can either pick the automatic rule, which is the first one, sunset to sunrise. And you can also pick custom schedule. And now you can select the start hour and then the end hour, so it's all up to you. Just select the period of time on which you would like to have blue light filter active. Then you can simply switch it off here, and also if you would like to remove the rule, simply tap on turn on as scheduled one more time. And that's basically all, so now you can simply and quickly activate blue light filter on your device. Thank you for watching, protect your eyes, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.